Hello students, hope you all are fine and safe. In our last class we were discussing about the different plants around us. So the chapter was plants around us. So whenever you go to a garden or a park, you can see the different plants based on their size, based on their leaves, type of leaves they have, right? Based on their shapes. So the plants can be classified as trees, shrubs, herbs, climbers and creepers. In our last video we have discussed about trees. Now shrubs. Shrubs are the small plants with woody stem. There can be many stems and branches that are bushy. So how can we identify these shrubs? When you see something bushy. The bushy means in Hindi we say jhadiyan. Like just by seeing, have you seen a curly hair? How it looks? Okay, the same way these plants also look, means they just by seeing them we can understand that they are bushy as they grow very near to the ground, and they grow for few years. And even in some of the shrubs there may be thorns or spines also. So what are the examples of shrubs we can see all around us? Cotton, rose, hibiscus, lime. So these are some of the shrubs we can find in our garden all around us. Then herbs. Herbs are the plants, green plants with soft stem. So they have very soft stem. Do you know, even the grass is also a herb. The herb can grow for few months. Coriander, spinach, mint, all these are examples of herbs. Some plants, they have very weak stem. So they cannot stand on their own. Like we have seen the shrubs, herbs, trees, they can stand on their own because they have strong stem. But some plants, they do not have a strong stem, they have very weak stem. So they need the support of any wall, stick, or it can be any other strong plant, right? So they just start growing when they get this support. These plants are called climbers. So it's very simple, isn't it? Climb means what? To move in the upward direction. So same way, these plants with their weak stem, they starts growing in the upward direction with the help of any wall, with the help of any stick, or it can take the help of any other strong tree or another strong plant, right? Now what are the examples? Money plant, beans, morning glory, so grapevine, these all are the examples of climbers. Climb to move in the upward direction. So climbers are the plants that grow with the help of any support. Same way, there are some plants who have very weak stem, but they cannot even get the support of any wall, stick or any other plant. They cannot grow like climbers. So they creep along the ground. Right? Now what do you think the reason behind this? The reason is they bear the fruits that are very heavy. So if these plants will start growing like climbers, then when the fruits will start growing, so the plant will get broken down and fall down. So these plants, they grow along the ground only, though they have weak stem, but they do not take any support of wall and all. They grow along the ground, right? So these are called creepers. Have you seen a snake? What is the movement of the snake is called? Creeping, right? So if just imagine a snake creeping on the ground. Same way, these creepers also, they creep on the ground. That means they grow along the ground because they bear very heavy fruits. The examples of the creepers are watermelon, pumpkin, muskmelon, right? So all these, you know, they are very heavy. These fruits are very heavy compared to other fruits. So these plants, they grow along the ground and they bear very heavy fruits. So children, we have discussed about the different plants around us. So plants can be classified as trees, shrubs, herbs, climbers and creepers. Trees, they are the plants with very strong stem, right? And their stem is called trunk. The trunk has a protective layer called bark. Trees can live for many years, right? Then we have shrubs. Shrubs have woody stem. They grow very near to the ground. They are bushy. They grow for few months, or we can say few years. Then we have herbs. They have very green stem and very soft stem, and they can live for few months. Then climbers, they have weak stem. They need the support of any wall, stick or any other plant. Then climbers, and then creepers that creep along the ground. That means that grow along the ground. So these are the different plants around us. Now you know that the plants, they grow according to the weather. That means the growth of the plant is also based on the climate in that particular place. So we find different varieties of plants in different places. Why do you think? What is the reason behind this? That we will discuss in our next video. Till then, bye. Take care of the plants in your surrounding, because plants are very useful for us. Have a nice day.